We got our shoulder press, our machine shoulder press. Again, doesn't matter if you don't have this exact machine, you just need a machine shoulder press, yeah? A lot of people stuff this up, they just jump under, have their elbows there, and just start pressing, and they get all this rotation through the shoulder joint, which we don't want whilst we're pressing. They're just letting those elbows scoop right back when we press. Do not want that. Jump under here, get your elbows forwards and in line with the push, yeah? In line with the line of force, yeah? So I'm pushing the handles up in this direction. I want my elbows to be following that, yeah? I want my forearms to directly follow that line. If they're back here, obviously you can see that is not gonna be a great way to press. When we come down, just lengthen out, pause, press, nice and slow on the way down, press. You don't have to have your hands like mine. Of course, we can grab like this and press. What we're doing here is we're pressing out of the scapular plane. We don't actually want to press with our arms back in line with our shoulders. We want them slightly angled in front of the body, as you can see here. So I've just got them slightly in front of me as I'm pressing. If your chair's too high, you're gonna be trying to jack your arm under it before you can even get it to a point where you're gonna press out of. And if your chair's too low, you're gonna be coming down and it's gonna be bottoming out like here, and you're not gonna be getting a full press and training your shoulders to their full range of motion. So just for most people, just have the chair somewhere in the middle, you're gonna be perfectly fine.